is the father of Green Revolution? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan has recommended a bank. Which one? Who is refinancing to RRB? They required some money for lending. Yes, my friend. Tell me something about you. Let me know something.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Abhishek Thappa. I am from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. I completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from SRM University, Chennai in 2018. I have a working experience of 2.5 years in Infosys Limited as a system engineer. I joined Infosys in July of 2018 and worked there till February of 2021. And since then, I've been preparing for banking examinations. I live with my family of 5 members, my mother, father, my younger brother, and my grandmother. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. And sir, my hobbies include reading and fitness activities. Thank you.
Excellent, excellent. So, chronically, because of your experience, you are excellently presented.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Today you have had a good lunch.
Yes, sir.
Both rice and dal.
Yes, sir.
There are 2 seasons for cropping, particularly paddy. There
Yes,
are
sir.
2. Can you highlight me?
Sir, I'm not sure. I think Kharif and Rabi season.
Very good, very good. You are absolutely sure. Don't have any murmur in your mind. You are correct. Excellent. Right. Who is the father of Green Revolution? Doctor?
Sir, sorry, sir. I'm not able to recollect at this moment, sir.
You know it. You know it. Just you want to bring it out. Because of that, you are in a panic. You are not in a position to bring the correct answer. Don't worry. Don't worry. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan is the?
Is the father of Green Revolution, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Right. Now, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan has recommended a bank. Which one? Don't worry. Don't worry. Tell me something about RRB.
Sir, RRBs are or regional rural banks are these scheduled commercial banks. They are formed by the recommendation of Narsimhan Committee. They are the hybrid of commercial cooperative banks and commercial bank. Sir, and they are formed by the Act of RRB Act of 1976. They provide banking facilities such as deposit and also grant loans. They also provide some para-banking facilities such as ATMs, cards, debit, credit, or UPI, mobile banking facility. They also provide in the disbursement of the wages of different government schemes like MG Narega. Also, they disperse the pensions. So, yes, sir, this RRB, sir.
Yes, you have given excellent explanation. Okay. Now you have attended the mock interview. Somebody might have been recommended this one or somebody might have been told you, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Narsimhan Committee recommended RRB.
Yes, sir.
To make a Narsimhan sir as a committee, somebody might have been recommended, somebody might have been boosted.
Sorry, sir, I'm not sure, sir.
He is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan.
Oh, okay, sir.
He thought it fit to have a rural bank for the purpose of rural area, to have a banking establishment, banking knowledge, and banking habits. Okay, so the government requested a Narsimhan sir to recommend whether it is feasible and possible. He has recommended. Until such thing, you are correct. But it requires some capital, na?
Yes, sir.
Who is contributing?
Sir, the central
government?
Yes, sir. The central government owns 50% of the
Capital.
stakes in RRBs. State government is 15% of the shareholder, and the sponsored bank provides 35%.
So this is the part and parcel of telling about RRB.
Yes, sir.
Okay, RRB
Yes,
was
sir.
recommended by, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan under the committee of a Narasimhan committee. RRB established with the capital of central 50, state 15, and the sponsoring bank 35. Now there is some alterations and there is some recommendation also. State government, central government put together 51% is enough.
So, sorry, sir, can you please repeat the question, sir?
Sure, don't worry. 50, 15, 35 is recommended by Narasimhan sir.
Yes, sir.
Recently, the government thought it fit to have 51% by both the governments. Okay. So that is a development. Earlier, RRB used to function exclusively agriculture.
Yes, sir.
Now they have entered and taking care of MSME.
Okay, sir.
So this is about RRB, telling about now. Who is refinancing to RRB? They required some money for lending.
Sir, for lending, they will get the deposits from the customers, which they can further lend to the whoever who wants the loan. They can also borrow money from RBI. Yes, sir. Okay.
What is the function of NABARD?
Sir, NABARD acts as a supervisor for RBI.
Okay.
RBI, yes, sir.
What is the duties of Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, Reserve Banks of India forms policies, rules for RRB, and NABARD supervises them, means they see if they are properly implemented or not.
Very good. Just you have to fine tune this one. NABARD is the refinancing bank. It is the extended arm of Reserve Bank of India.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Reserve Bank of India cannot go from Kashmir to Kanyakumari to take care of agriculture, small scale industries, housing, everything. So it has its own branches, extended arm. So NABARD is the refinancing bank for RRB. Reserve Bank of India will not spend any money. The amount canvassed or generated by way of deposits from the public is insufficient to lend.
Yes, sir.
At the same time, RRB is exclusively extended for agriculture. If there is a contingency, an account of heavy rain or no rain, an account of elephants, an account of worm, an account of various reasons, these are all called contingencies. Act of God and natural calamities. There may be a fire, there may be a flood, there may be a no rain. So on account of all these things, the debtor, the farmer who received loan from bank, from RRB, is he capable to pay the money?
No, sir.
So bank has no money. Now RRB, how to extend the loan? Only NABARD will come for the rescue. NABARD only will extend refinance to RRB.
Yes, sir.
The main function of RRB is to extend loans and advances to Agri and MSME.
Yes, sir.
NABARD is the extended arm of Reserve Bank of India, is a refinancing bank to RRB.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the role of RBI on RRB?
Sir, RBI form. Yes, sir. Sir, RBI forms policies, rules for the RRBs.
So how about other scheduled and commercial banks? RBI will not form rules and regulations for scheduled and commercial banks.
No, no, sir. RBI forms policies and rules for them also.
RBI main function with respect to RRB is it regulate RRB.
Yes, sir.
RRB functions regulation. NABARD function?
Supervision.
What I said?
Refinance. It acts as refinancing. Yes, sir.
Supervision will not occur here.
Okay,
NABARD
sir.
function is finance. RRB function is only to take care of the regulated. It will regulate the
RRBs.
RRB main functions. It will extend loans and advances to the agriculture as well as
MSMEs.
very good. These 3 points about RRB functions.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to what are the, now you are telling, what are the main functions of Reserve Bank of India? Tell me 3 functions.
Sir, it forms monetary policies for the country. It regulates the money flow in the country, and also it's called the banker's bank or bank to the government. So, yes, sir.
Move 3 main functions, right? In your pocket, are you having 10 rupee note?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who issued this 10 rupee note? Yeah. Who printed this one?
Sir, RBI.
The first main function of Reserve Bank of India is note printing.
Yes, sir.
That is called currency note issuing.
Yes, sir.
This is the first and main function, right? Who signs on the 10 rupee note?
Sir, I think the Secretary in Finance Ministry. Sir, I'm not sure.
Who sign on the 5 rupee note?
So sorry, sir, I'm not sure, sir.
Secretary Finance will sign currency note up to 5 rupees.
Oh, okay, sir.
From 10 rupee onwards, only Governor of Reserve Bank of India will sign.
Okay, sir.
That is the difference between two. Right. Now, about Reserve Bank of India, number 1 is note issue. Second is
Yes.
a monetary policy, you said it is correct. What do you mean by monetary policy, sir?
Some monetary policies, when the inflation or when there is an inflation in the country or there is a deflation in the country, monetary policies are formed to tackle those issues. So,
Come out. You have, I require, the committee members required the exact banking terminology word. You are giving very much descriptive.
okay, sir.
Your descriptive is excellent, correct. But at the same time, the vital word I require.
Sir, monetary policy includes both quantitative and qualitative tools that RBI uses to fight inflation or deflation. Quantitative tools include the reserve ratio, which can be CRR and SLR, open market operations, bank rate, liquidity adjustment facilities. And qualitative tools can include moral suasion, direct action, loan to value, rationing, etc. So these are all the monetary tools that RBI uses to fight inflation or deflation.
Good. Now, what is the difference between savings bank account and current account?
Sir, savings bank account is generally used by normal people, and current account are used by businessmen, because current account provides the facility for have frequent and unlimited transactions. But current account don't provide interest on deposit. Savings account, on the other hand, provides interest on deposits. So I think these two are the difference between savings and current account.
Yes. What is the difference between check and draft?
Sorry, sir, I'm not sure, sir.
When you open an account, what are the things the bank will do?
Sir, sorry, sir, I wasn't able to hear you properly.
No. You are opening a savings bank account in a bank. You are
Yes,
having
sir.
an account now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are the things? What are the things the bank will provide you? They will give you a passbook.
Yes, sir. They will
They
give
will
me
give an
passport.
ATM card.
Yes, sir.
ATM card.
Yes, sir.
Then what are the other things they will give?
So they will give me checkbook also.
So now you are having a check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you go to the bank. you have gone to the bank, you got a draft in favor of to purchase a flat, you obtained a draft. You for the bank to get a draft, you have to pay money.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The bank issue the draft only on payment of money. Now you tell me the difference between check and draft.
Sir, we give the money to the bank and they will issue a demand deposit. And for the check, if I write someone check, so the amount which I'm writing, that amount will be deducted from my bank account.
Right. Okay. Now I want to transfer 50,000 rupees. You are a branch manager of State Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
You are situated at Delhi. I am in Chennai. I am having account at Indian Overseas Bank.
Yes,
I am an account holder of you. I requested you as a branch manager. I want to transfer 50,000 rupees from my account at Delhi of SBI to IOB in Chennai. What is the payment gateways available? How can I transfer? Through bank.
Sir, payment gateways include NEFT, IMPS, or RTGS.
For any NEFT,
Yes, sir.
National Electronic Fund Transfer, how much is minimum? How much is maximum?
Sir, minimum is 1 rupees and maximum depends upon the depends upon bank to bank. So I think this is
Generally, can I transfer 5 lakhs?
so sorry, sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Through NEFT, can I transfer 5 lakhs?
Yes, sir. So the upper limit depends upon branch bank to bank, sir.
Very good, very good. I'll come to that one. I'll come to that one. Okay. Tell me something about the cooperative bank. What is the formation of the? We have said about it.
Yes, sir.
We have highlighted about the Bank of India. Now tell me the functions of cooperative bank. We are having so many cooperative bank, primary cooperative bank in the villages. Generally in villages, we will have this cooperative bank. In our college also, we are having cooperative society, cooperative canteen. What does it mean? What is the cooperative? You studied in which college?
Yes, sir.
Which college?
SRM University, sir.
Okay. There you are having a canteen.
Yes, sir.
I may take dishes there. Can outsiders can eat?
No, sir.
So this cooperative is exclusively for the members.
Yes, sir.
So cooperative bank is exclusively for. We will discuss that one. I will come out to you. Right.
Okay, sir.
One question, yeah. Your knowledge in banking is excellent. Okay. Why you want to join in RRB having this much of knowledge? Being a graduation in ECE, you can join as a system administrator in State Bank of India or I have IBPS as a special officer.
Sir, for specialist officer, I'm not qualified because I did my graduation, sir, in electrical and electronics engineering.
Why? Okay, next.
Yes, sir. So,
why you are interested in joining RRB, having system administrator, excellent qualification. Already you work as a system administrator.
Sir, because while working in Infosys, I worked as a banking support in financial customization. So sir, there I gained this interest in banking field. Infosys provided me a lot of knowledge about the technical side of things, but the thing that I lack was customer interaction. And sir, I think banking will provide me that opportunity to have customer interaction because they deals with the banking and financial needs of people, sir. So that's why, sir, I wanted to switch to banking.
Good. So you might have been choosing State Bank of India. You might have been choosing Indian Overseas Bank, Indian Bank, Canara Bank. Why RRB?
Sir, because RRPs are very important because they are improving the financial inclusion in our country. They are opening branches in remote areas and improving the financial inclusion. They are also increasing the financial literacy of the people. So I think, sir, RRB is a great organization, and I think it will also help me as a boost in career also, sir. So I think that's why I'm joining, sir.
Very good. Your presentation, excellent. Your modulation, excellent. Only one question, because you requested me to ask that particular question.
Yes, sir.
You used the word financial inclusion.
Yes, sir.
Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, under financial inclusion for the purpose of rural people, he brought one scheme. What is that?
So Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana.
Very good. You tell something about that scheme.
Yes, sir. Sir, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana allows the families to have at least one banking account. This banking account also provide them with a RuPay card and also provide them the health insurance facilities. So, sir, yeah, this way I think they are improving the financial inclusion with the help of Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme.
Why I want to open a PMJDY account? What is benefited to me, to the customer, to the depositor, to the account opener? What is the benefits available under PMJDY?
Sir, you will get health insurance. Sir, I'm not sure about the amount. Sir, I forgot the amount number. But if you use your RuPay card once in every 45 days, then you will get the health insurance benefit. So, sir, this is something exclusive for the PM Jan Dhan account holder. So, I think, yes, sir.
Good. Okay. For girl child under financial inclusion, our Prime Minister has brought another scheme. What is that?
Sir, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana.
You highlight about it with 3 points.
Sir, it's
from the age we can open.
Sir, sir, can I take 2 minutes?
Please.
Sir, at a very young age, we can open a Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, but sir, I'm not sure about the minimum age. The maximum age, sir, I think is 18 years and 18 years of old. It is opened so that at the end of 18 and the end of the time period, they will get enough money that they will use for the girl child's marriage or for her studies.
You know about the schemes. You know everything. The only thing is what the board members required. What is the interview members required? What is the necessity of the banking department? It is not coming out from your side.
Yes, sir.
Everything is generally what you have done is you've gone through the schemes. You've gone through this technical and the commercial and banking works. You have left it, or you are not in a position to refresh it. Don't worry. Okay. Now, what is a gross profit? What is a net profit?
Sir, gross profit is the total profit, means the income minus the expenditures,
Minus?
minus the expenditures, sir.
So generally, income minus expenditure is a profit. That's all. But what is gross profit? What is net profit? Why these words have been used? Don't worry. I will highlight it. Right. You are ECU student.
It's a triple E student actually.
Triple E, very good. Electricals, electronics, and
Engineering.
engineering. Very good. What is the difference between electrical and electronics?
Sir, electrical is the study of transmission, big machines like generator, transformers, etc. And electronics is basically a study of microchips, semiconductors. Yes, sir.
Okay. What is YBR?
YBR, sir.
YBR in electricals. For each and every power circulation, we used to use those words.
Sir, no, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, don't worry. When we are purchasing wire, there are so many colors now.
Yes, sir.
Why?
No, sir. I'm not sure, sir.
There is a black color. There is a red color. There is a yellow color. What it represents? Instead of black, they used to do blue. Okay, I'll come. Yes, sir. How you have done your interview?
Sir, average, moderate.
Yes, yes. You are and the cat on the wall. You know everything. But appropriate word is not coming out from your mouth. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just during this period, you refresh your thoughts. You refresh what you have undergone. How you have to do is, as far as banking is concerned, there will be 2 or 3 questions.
Yes,
One
sir.
is RRB, RBI, NABARD. RRB is concerned, already we discussed it. RRB is concerned, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan recommended under Narasimhan Committee, RRB formed. 1 point.
Yes, sir.
The capital is central government 50%, state government 15%, sponsoring back 35. This is the capital. The function
Yes,
of RRB is to extend loans and advances for agriculture and MSME for rural people.
Yes, sir.
NABARD, it is a refinancing bank for RRB.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the Reserve Bank of India, 3 functions.
Yes, sir.
Printing
notes, monetary policy.
Printing of current. See, one thing.
Yes, sir.
You should not repeat, I am not sure. Don't repeat, you are sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Second thing, I think, no. You avoid these 2 words. Second thing, Reserve Bank of India, don't include other words. Monetary policy, inflation, don't use all these things. Okay, the question is, the functions of Reserve Bank of India, number 1, no currency notes issue, note printing, that's all.
Yes, sir.
Second thing, to control the money circulation.
Yes, sir.
Third thing, to take care of the reserve of the foreign currency. That's all.
Yes, sir.
These are the main functions. And you are also told, it is a banker's bank, it is a government bank, it is a last resort to the bank. These are all everybody know. If you have to score more and you have to be highlighted first, in addition to these things, the most important is note printing, note issue, followed followed by circulation, control of money circulation. Third one, foreign currency reserve. These 3 things are most important.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the cooperative bank, because you are entering into RRB, cooperative bank is most important. The main function of the cooperative bank only it serves to the members in the area. Only for the members. There ends the matter. Now, as far as Reserve Bank of India is concerned, currency note issue, who will sign on the 10 rupee note? Only Prime, that is Governor of Reserve Bank of India will sign. Up to 5 rupee note, Secretary, Finance Department will sign. The Reserve Bank is over. Now, coming to the central government policies. This is for 3 questions, 5 marks. Next to 5 marks about government schemes. As far as RRB is concerned, the main government schemes concerned to us is PMJDY. Under PMJDY, 2 benefits are there. It is a no balance account. You have said about ATM card, Paytm, everything correct. But the most important is, it is a no balance account. It will give overdraft up to 10,000. It is giving an insurance for death and accident. Insurance policy for death, the name is Bima Yojana. Pradhan Mantri Bima Yojana is the death policy.
Yes, sir.
Suraksha Bima Yojana is for accident.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much amount the government will pay for death policy, Jeevan Bima, for accident policy, Suraksha Bima? 2 lakhs. Now, you have to pay some premium.
Yes, sir.
So, Suraksha Bima, accident benefit, 220. For particularly Jeevan Bima Yojana, 436. You check these things. Suraksha Bima Yojana, Jeevan Bima Yojana, premium. That's all. So, government scheme is one is over. Second one, Gold Chain, Sukanya Samriddhi scheme. There is no minimum age. Up to age of 10, we can open the account.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Up to which age we can open the account?
Up to 10.
Up to?
10 years. No, sorry,
10
up
years.
to 18 years. 18 years.
Up to, yes. Now, under Jeevan Bima Yojana, how much government is paying?
So 2 lakhs.
Stop. 2 lakhs, that's all. Don't elaborate. If you elaborate it, from your answer, I will pick another question.
Yes, sir.
Right. Under Suraksha Bima Yojana, how much government will pay?
2 lakh.
Right. Is there overdraft facilities available under PMJDY?
Yes, sir.
If so, how much, sir?
10,000.
PMJDY over?
Yes,
now
sir.
Coming to Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, up to which age you can open the account?
10 years.
Right. First withdrawal will be at the age of 18 for the purpose of education.
Yes, sir.
Second, account will be closed at the age of 21 for the purpose of marriage.
Yes, sir.
So banking scheme over?
Yes, sir.
In addition to that one, there are Awas Yojana, Jwala scheme. Awas Yojana means everyone must have a housing. You check that one. Or you can see our video.
Yes, sir.
You can see our videos, particularly YouTube. You will get all these things. Okay. That is Awas Yojana. Everyone must possess a house. That is the scheme. Ujjwala scheme, every rural people must have a gas connection. Jwala means fire.
Yes, sir.
So these are all the schemes for the RRB. Now coming to the government side. The Prime Minister, who is Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi.
Your brother?
Sorry, sir. Mr. Narendra Modi.
Sri Narendra Modi ji.
Yes, sir.
Our Finance Minister?
Nirmala Sitharaman, ma'am.
Srimati
Nirmala Sitharaman, ma'am.
Right. Who is our Defense Minister?
Sir, Shri Rajnath Singh ji.
So these are the name of the Prime Minister, Finance Minister, Education Minister, and our Defense Minister. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Who is the Prime Minister of UK?
Mr. Rishi Sunak.
Yes. Why we are asking this one is he is having an Indian origin.
Yes, sir.
Where you worked earlier?
Infosys.
Who is the founder?
Narayan Murthy, sir.
He is the?
He is the father-in-law of Rishi Sunak.
So on account of that one, that question will be. Now, difference between savings bank and current account. Yeah. Simple. Savings bank will pay interest. For current account?
No interest is paid by the bank.
See, you know the answer, but you
Yes,
are
sir.
not picking the correct answer. Second thing, savings bank transactions are restricted.
Yes, sir.
Current account, no restriction for the
Transactions.